India just lost $700 million. That is 5,800 crores before it even started. And you won't believe who was behind it. Zoho. Yes, that Zoho, known for software, was about to spend $700 million to build a semiconductor empire in India.
India's very own homegrown SaaS major company Zoho is also planning to foray into the commercial semiconductor space. This with an initial investment outlay of about $700 million.
A move that could have changed the entire game for India in the global semiconductor race. It would have created thousands of jobs, boosted our economy, and finally brought India face to face with China in this tech war. But guess what? It got shut down even before it started.
Zoho has halted its $700 million semiconductor project.
Zoho suspends $700 million chip-making plan in latest setback for India.
Which reminds me of that one line.
भाई ये तो शुरू होते ही खत्म हो गया यार.
And not just Zoho, even our Mota bhai. Adani was planning a $10 billion chip project in India in collaboration with Israel's Tower Semiconductor.
In another Adani development, the group has halted talks with Israel's Tower Semiconductor to construct a semiconductor fabrication plant in Maharashtra.
But guess what? That too dead before arrival. But why? Simple. Making chips is not like making chai. You need an expert tech partner who understands the entire game, from deep R&D and design to precision fabrication and large-scale production. And India, to be very honest, does not have enough of those. We are still new in this highly specialized capital-intensive industry. Zoho struggled to find the right tech partner, and without the right brains and backing, even billions cannot make magic. This project needed major government push, advanced talent, and strong global alliances, and without that foundation, they collapsed. Yes, the semiconductor dream for India is still alive, but it's long term. It needs vision, funding, global expertise, domestic talent, and yes, some serious support to turn dream into demand, into design, and finally into delivery.
Or are we going to be happy being delivery boys and girls? What are India's startups doing today? We are focused on food delivery apps.
Because without chips, there is no tech power, and without tech power, India cannot lead the future. I believe it's time we translate our discussions into some meaningful actions, and let's increase our what on the global stage and actually build something.